Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you've got a work clothes store, then keep your eyes peeled because in this video today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use our platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market quickly, work clothes store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sats a few basic details about our work clothes store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change our type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in our phone number in over here as well as our email address. Let's move along. Great. Where is our workwear store located? I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address as well as my postal code and click on continue. Great. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We closed on Sundays. Let's do a quick review, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours. Awesome. So look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my workwear clothing store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together at the website. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own awesome images of all the different products you stock in your store, all the different workwear, and you want to make one or two changes to this content, you can do that. It's super simple. So that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be working my way through each section, starting my way from the top to give you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how simple it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top, scrolling very fast, and click on update section over here. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website by clicking on show email on site. There it is next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. I've already put in my address, my physical location. When I click on that, it will automatically take my customers to Google Maps to get directions to my physical location. I'm now going to head over to update social links. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your workwear clothing store is active on. Pop them in over here, click on save, and the icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's move along and head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your business, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload it. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on their website. logo has been uploaded, but I want to make one or two slight amendments to it. So I'm going to click on this little pencil over here and crop it ever so slightly so it fits better in the section at the top. You can also add filters, you can decorate it, add frames, you can rotate it, zoom in, flip it, and so on, and make a few minor changes if need be. Let's go ahead and wait for that to re-upload. It now has been uploaded. I'm going to click on save, and I can make it bigger and smaller to suit my needs, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Let's move along. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your workwear clothing store. If you want to change the colors, click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various color palettes available. So I really like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and save that. I can change it at a later stage if need be. Let's head over to update section over here and head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Now, Mighty Sites will automatically search for work clothes store. However, you can play around with the terms a little bit and search for various different terms. So I'm going to actually go ahead and search for construction worker because that is my main client base, construction workwear. So I'm going to go ahead and search for that. Awesome. Lots of suitable images over here for me. So I'm going to just go ahead. Let's see what I've currently got. I'm now going to go ahead and select this one over here. Let's go ahead and select that, save it, and see how it looks. That looks fantastic. Let's head over to update contents. Now over here, we can change the title and subtitle to suit our business needs. Button currently says contact us today, but perhaps you just wanted to say get directions, for example. Oops. We can link it to various places. So I'm going to go ahead and choose link. We can link to another website if need be. We can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and do exactly that. So I'm going to go ahead and put it as directions. We can as well upload a PDF file, which is a great option if you have a catalog or your current promotions or deals. You could upload it in PDF format over there to that button. Over here, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make the necessary changes. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into the industry, do you source only the best materials and brands to ensure that your customers receive long-lasting products, do you pride yourself on your customer service, are you committed to helping businesses and professionals look and feel their best? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know a little bit of your brand, how your business came to be, and what made you get into this industry. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services or the products you offer. Do you offer workwear pants and shirts? Do you offer trade shirts like in different sleeve lengths? Do you offer protective eyewear perhaps and hats? Do you have an option for customization? So can you offer like embroidery and screen printing onto those clothings that you are supplying? Go ahead and put all the details over here. If you need to make any last changes to that physical location, the trading hours, click on update section and make the changes. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain, the yellow button at the bottom. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.mightysites.com. Head on over to our blog, you'll find a step-by-step guide there on linking that domain. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So as a small business owner, I do recommend checking our blog. Lots of valuable information here and marketing your business online, on social media, in your community. So do check it out. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain by the Mighty Sites platform. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your workwear clothing store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget the service is going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below. Let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.